I was trying to get a good night's sleep before practice tomorrow.
Right. Sitting on the bench is such a grueling effort.
No, because I'm playing this year. In fact, I'm making first line.
Hey, that's the spirit. Everyone should have a dream, even a pathetically unrealistic one.
Just out of curiosity, which half of the body are we looking for?
Huh. I didn't even think about that.
And, what if whoever killed the body is still out here? It's comforting to know you've planned this out with your usual attention to detail. Maybe the severe asthmatic should be the one holding the flashlight, huh?